Xishuangbanna, one of the tropical areas in China, also known as the Warm City. The region is home to thousands of animals and plants, and the rainforests span an area more than twice the size of Hong Kong.
Behind me, that's the rainforest in Xishuangbanna. There are all kinds of living things here.
There are only 2 bolted crags for now, and the 3rd one is on the way. And they are all far away from downtown. Climbing there is fun, yet annoying.
Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh, ow.
After Mengzi, we kept on driving towards our second climbing destination. Because of the meandering mountain roads in Yunnan, we had to stop to camp out at 2 more cities before we arrived in Xishuangbanna.
On our way to Xishuangbanna, there are so many motor houses and RVs here. Time to go to sleep. Oh, Julie. Good morning. This camping site is like a little village. Everybody is so quiet. Now we're gonna hit the road early in the morning today. We are in Pu'er City. Let's go! Yes! Hey Chili,
Yes.
what would you do if a wild elephant ran at us when we were driving? Go!
I've used my climbing skill to climb up a tree. Easy.
Bingo!
Yes.
That the sign says here, pay attention to wild elephants. When we're driving, we have to pay attention to the pedestrians, pay attention to the cars, the bicycles. When we're driving here, we gotta pay attention to the wild elephant. What a day! Whoa! This is Kino Mountain Crag, and we thought it was warm, and you can hear some animals are singing here at the crag. Exotic, and there's no signal here. You cannot use your phone, and you can focus on climbing all day long here. I need to take off my raincoat. That looks stupid on me. There's a main road here. The crag is just by the main road, and the belay area is so good. This is my friend. He's a human, or maybe he's an animal. Who knows? The sound you just heard is from him. I have a little gift for him. It's made for traditional climbing.
不是我的手有点大了。
Warm up egg. Squeeze it with your fingers. One, two, three. What? There's a huge beehive up there, and I'm gonna climb that one. Look at the beehive. When I was climbing this one, there was beehive in the middle of the way, and a snake in the middle of the way, and there's a lot of spider webs over here. So scary, so scary. And this route is more like a traditional climbing style. It's a crag. You have to use like palm jam, hand jam, and then foot jam. This is the most scary climb I have ever climbed. Whoa!
Since we're here, my family and a friend of mine come to join us for a short vacation.
Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. 么么哒。Daddy kiss you.
Yeah, the more, the merrier. Of course, we went to the other crag to climb together, but
We have to leave the minute we arrived here because we left our climbing gear at the hotel. Yeah, and it's like 2 hours drive from the hotel, so we have to come back here another day, maybe tomorrow.
since we are already here, we all agreed to roll with the punches.
We're gonna go have picnic by the river, and this lady will show us around.
不，这个就到边境线了。
This is a rubber tree.
The next day we came back with our gear. Everybody had fun climbing.
This is Xishuangbanna crag near the China and Myanmar border. And the quality of the climb here, top notch. It's very warm to climb in the winter in China. Highly recommend it.
Trust me, with kids, your travels can be very different.
This one is more like, I would say 10A.
大条单成功。
Whoa, yeah. It's like Thailand here. The first thing I want to say is Sawadika. Yeah, we are on a vacation now. I'm a tourist today.
After a few days in Xishuangbanna, my family and my friend left, and we went on our new adventure. Climbing travels by motorbike is not easy, but very rewarding. See you guys at the next destination.
Just in time to be able to see the sunset over there.